Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. You'll see the button on the, I think it's the right-hand side of the video. And today we're going to talk about Snap-on Smile. This is a very special case. This patient is a teacher, and she just wants to really look great for her school kids, and I guess for everyone else. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Okay, welcome. So tell me why you decided to do the Snap-on Smile.
For a long time, I've been wanting to improve my smile and change the way I looked after years of bruxism and my teeth wearing down. I wanted to come to someone I knew that I could depend on that would do a really good job, and I did my research and I picked the best, and it was you.
All right, so Snap-on Smile, affordable, right?
Very.
And you haven't seen it, correct?
No, I have not.
Okay, let's take a look at her smile, and I'm so excited about this case because this is a beauty. All right, you can tell where she has worn down her teeth. Her teeth are very straight, but her lower teeth are very tiny, and she has worn them down. And also the upper teeth are very straight, but the color could be improved. We agree on that. You've got some tetracycline stain. And bite down for me. And you notice that she really doesn't show a lot when she smiles, so we're going to try to correct it. Go ahead and smile. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the appliance. So we had the patient go for a digital scan. We take digital scans, so the impressions are absolutely perfect. These are impressions of her existing teeth. You can see how tiny her teeth are. And let's go ahead and show you what the appliance looks like. This is the upper appliance. It is gorgeous, symmetrical, white. The patient is going to be incredibly excited. And we also did a lower snap-on for her. And again, it fits perfectly around the gum line, very symmetrical. And now we're going to try it in, and she is going to see it for the first time. Okay, I am really excited about this case. This case is one of my favorites. This is going to be life-changing for this patient. We're going to try them in. You're going to see the result. Do not stop this video. We're going to go ahead and place the bottom in. It fits. Now she had a missing tooth, so it fits over that as well, and it literally snaps into place. And when I mean snaps in, I mean snaps in. Heard the snap? Look at this. Perfect contour along the gum line, perfect color. This is just the lower. Now we're going to place the upper in. When you place these in, you go from one side to the other. And again, it snaps in. Bite down, smile. Look at this. This is life-changing. Beautiful, beautiful color, beautiful symmetry, and the patient is going to see them for the first time. So the patient hasn't seen it. We've got the mirror ready. We've got the patient ready. We've got the Snap-on Smile in place, and you are not going to believe it. This is the first time she's seen it. So let's go ahead and focus in on her smile. And are you ready?
Yes.
All right, turn that mirror over.
Oh my God, is that really me? That's perfect. Everything I wanted and then some for all these years. Oh my God. Wow. Thank you so much.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
What about the color?
It's perfect.
How's
Very
your bite?
perfect. Good.
Okay, I want you to say 66.
66.
Say church.
Church.
Say fire truck.
Fire truck.
Now, you are able to eat with these, and you are able to drink with them.
All right.
They're really pretty.
Yes. Oh my God.
Take a look at how they fit at the gum. I know.
That's what I'm looking.
I know. Amazing, right?
Yes.
They almost look like a set of veneers.
Yes. God, that's perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're
My
welcome.
favorite word.
Yay, high five, girl. All right, another successful Snap-on Smile case. Veneers can change your smile. Snap-on Smile can change your life. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, Texas Tooth Lady.